As an installer, troubleshooting is a daily part of our lives. If we need to troubleshoot our PowerView draperies, here are a few scenarios to assist you when we are installing. Let's first take a look at a few more of the settings on the motor. The PowerView motor has what appears to be 4 buttons. In actuality, there are 3 buttons and one is an LED indicator. Let's zoom in to see what we're looking at. We have the speed, QRF, PV, and the LED indicator locations on the motor. If you need to adjust the speed, you will need to press and hold the speed button for about 1 second. This will change the color on the LED indicators. I just need to press the button to adjust the speed setting. If it's green, it's set to 100 RPMs. If it's 120 RPMs, it will change to red. I can use the PowerView app to modify or reset programming on the drapery, or even add or remove the drapery from the app. But if I need to reset the limits, I can press and hold the QRF button on the motor. When the LED lights up, I will release the button. I then have 15 seconds to do the following action. I need to press and release the QRF button 3 times. When I do that properly, the LED will blink 3 times to indicate that the limits have been cleared. Then I would need to reset the limits using the steps at the beginning of the previous video as instructed. The PV button functions like a standard control button. A long press will bring up the action item list in the app for advanced functions. As you're familiar with, these options will vary depending on permissions and the stage of installation. A short button press will allow me to run the drapery operations just like all the other control button presses on other shades. There are no motor replacements in the app with draperies, as the motors are not internal to the draperies, but they are attached to the drapery rod. We can remove after deleting from the app. A new motor would be considered a new drapery in the app. If your drapery closes when you press open and opens when you press close, this means your originally set limits have been reversed. We call this reverse polarity. To fix this, first, reset your limits. Secondly, delete your drapery from the app. Then, set your limits correctly and add your drapery back to the app. If you are noticing that there is a gap between your fabric panels when closed, on split stack drapery openings, if you notice approximately a 1-inch gap between your left and right drapery panel overlaps in the closed position, here are the steps to fix that problem. 1. With the drapery in the closed position, unplug electrical power from the motor. 2. Manually move the master carrier towards each other to close the gap. 3. Then reattach the electrical power. 4. Cycle the drapery to the open and closed position to confirm the drapery is performing as expected. If it's not, repeat steps. And that's it. By utilizing these troubleshooting steps, we hope to help you maximize your PowerView drapery system. Thanks for watching.